Today we're gonna be unboxing the DJI Pocket 3 camera. This just arrived yesterday, actually, didn't arrive today. And my dog decided to eat this box and I'm freaking mad about it, but we're gonna unbox it today. I'm gonna be using the iFixit kit. You already know this is my favorite kit for unboxing and setting up anything electronic related. If you wanna get yours, use the first link in the description and let's get started opening this box. Okay, I love this part. It's one of my favorite parts, opening boxes. Jesus, I almost cut myself. Actually, no, you can't cut yourself using this iFixit kit because it's sharp, but it's sharp enough so you don't just start cutting yourself while you're opening this box. And let's see what we got in here. Oh my God, guys, it's right here. We don't really need that anymore. Look at it. Name is Osmo Pocket 3. Oh my God, this is just beautiful. I always love DJI boxes. They are always so clean and so nice. Like you could feel the quality just in the box. Let's get rid of this little plastic wrap that it has around to be able to do it like this, just with our hands. Oh my God, guys, I can't tell you how excited I was for this to arrive. I almost threw a party yesterday when this arrived on my doorstep. And when I saw that my dog was eating the box, oh my God, guys, I rescued that dog from the shelter, but I swear I just wanted to go get a refund. I'm just kidding. It's totally my fault. My dog got my box. I will never change my dogs. I love my dogs, both of them. And now you could open the box. Here we go, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, so you have this thing here. It's the whatever. Nobody cares. And then you have, okay, you have a bunch of things that just came out. You have the manuals, whatever. It's not like we're gonna read through that. You have stickers. I think these are stickers. I hope they are. We'll use those. You also have another box in here. Okay, and then empty box, don't need that anymore. You have a bag with a bag inside and you have a box. Hopefully there's not a box inside. Let's see what is in here. We have, what is this? We have the little handle, I think. Let's check this out. I think this is like the case. Oh yeah. This is the protective cover for protection. As you can see, it has like the Black Pro Mist thingy, which doesn't come with the package. I did get the creator combo, and if you're a content creator, I think that's the combo you should get because, well, we're using this for content creation and for the price. I know it's a little bit more expensive, but the things that come with it are way worth it, okay? But let's check the bag. What's in here? I don't know. Let's open it up. Super easy to open as well. I love the packaging that DJI has always done. I bought a drone and a gimbal from them. Everything is good. Peace, brother. Peace. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Now let's open this bag up. This bag looks really nice. Looks really like quality made. Oh my God. I think this is worth the money. Let's open it up. Okay, what do we have in here? Okay, so as you can see, you have the camera in here. Oh my God, look at it. Look at this camera. Here's a little screen. We're gonna take a look at that right now. What else do we have in here? We also have the microphone receiver, or well, no, this is just the microphone, right? I have no idea. We're gonna take a look at that right now. What else do we have in here? Let's see. This is the power adapter or like the battery extender, which will allow you to connect like the little tripod mounts and stuff. We also have this thing in here, which I have no idea what this is. I think this is actually the adapter for the tripod, and this is just the extended battery, right? That's probably how it is. And we have a bunch of cables in here. The little, what is this called? Something cat, I don't know. Look, my English is bad, okay? But this is for the microphone. And then you also have the little legs for the tripod. We're gonna open all of this. We're gonna take everything out of the bag. And guys, you also have this little magnet that comes with the package in case you wanna put your microphone, this microphone inside your shirt, right? Let's say that you had one of those cable microphone, lavalier or whatever it's called, lavender, I don't know the name, okay? I don't speak English. Like, why are you even watching me? In case you wanna put this inside your shirt, you could use that little magnet. And you also have the wide angle lens, which is also a magnet that goes here in the camera, and it just magnetically attaches to the camera, which is inside right now, so I can't even try it on. But yeah, you also have those two little thingies. So here is the battery. This is the battery, right? Yeah, this is a battery. It's right here. So you insert this in the bottom of the camera. I assume you do it this way. There we go. Oh my God, and it's already turned on right there. The battery is working. And this actually makes it easier for us to hold the camera because it makes it longer, so we don't have to have our hand all over the screen. So that's great, that little thing there. You also have, however, this little tripod, I guess. It's like 3 legs, so I guess it's a tripod. And you could connect that down here to your extender and also to your adapter. and it could even be longer now. So you now have even more room for those of you that have big hands. I have big hands, okay, brother? I could slap the hell out of this camera, but I'm not gonna do that because it's expensive. It's expensive, we have to take care of it, okay? I'm gonna set up the camera like that just so it looks good here for the angle of the video. And now you also have this microphone. Let's check it out. Let's check out the microphone right here. And you also have this thing that you could put, I guess, on the camera overall. There's probably somewhere to attach this so it doesn't just fall out of your hand and you have to go and spend a bunch of money again. And now you have this thing, which I don't know the name of it. Is it called like a black cat or something? I have no idea what it's called. Okay, that might be completely wrong. You put it on the microphone like that. It clips right onto that. And then you could, of course, clip the microphone and I start recording and just talking to the microphone. Or you could hold it, right? Like Tyler Oliveira, you could hold the microphone and just investigate everywhere. You also have the mount right here. This is not a battery. This is just the adapter in case you want to set this up on a tripod. But of course, you could also use your battery. You don't always have to use the adapter. If you have the creator combo or whatever it's called, the creator combo pack, bundle, package, spend all your money, whatever it's called, you could use that. So that is pretty much everything out the box. We have the camera in here looking good. We have the other camera there recording us, and we're gonna probably do some testing on these. Not on this video because this is just the unboxing, but subscribe to the channel because we're probably gonna do some comparison between cameras. I also have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I'm probably gonna do some comparisons between this little camera and the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the cinematic mode. Which one looks better? We'll find out. Subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. Now we're gonna turn on this camera, and to do so, all you have to do is rotate the screen to the side. And as you can see in there, it's now having me select the language. I guess you can move up and down, I don't know. Oh wait, is it touchscreen? Yeah. So now I have to set it up with my phone. So it already found my device and it's connected by itself. It's asking me for a verification code. Yes, brother, this is the right code. Accept. Okay, agree, and I think it should be connected now. You have to allow the access to the Osmo Pocket 3, and now it's having me log in. So I have to log in and use a DJI account, I guess. So I'm gonna have to create that real quick because I don't know if my drone account would work for this. Now, when you are setting up, you have the option for the 1-year plan and 2-year plan, or you could also completely skip that. Now, I'm actually thinking about this a lot because for $35, I could get that 1-year plan, and if anything was to happen to my camera, I will have it completely replaced. I'm thinking about this a lot. I'm actually gonna get that 1-year plan, and I'm gonna use Apple Pay for this, so it's super quick, and I don't have to go get my wallet, which I don't even know where it is. I probably lost my wallet. I'm probably undocumented right now. Yes, it's asking for my face. I'm right here, brother. You could see my face. Look at me, guys. I'm so excited for this camera. I'm not gonna lie to you. And there we go. We pay for the 1-year plan. Do you have to? Well, if you're gonna take care of your device, I guess you don't have to do it, but I'm doing it because even though I'm gonna take care of it, I don't know if it's gonna get water damage, if it's gonna fall and the screen is gonna break. I was looking at review videos and people are saying that this screen, it's a little bit sensitive. It's a little bit sensitive, and like if it falls, it could break, whatever. I'm just being preventive. And for $35, I think it's a very good price when this device is worth $600. And now we're finally in full control. I don't know if you guys could see there through the camera. I'm seeing what this camera sees. So I'm pretty sure that that's pretty weird to you guys right now. You're probably seeing me right there. See, so now we could control this camera through our phone. We could set up autofocus. We could set up a bunch, everything. You could pretty much control the whole camera, which is a great addition for those of you that don't like looking at a little screen like that. Use your phone. If you have an iPad, you could probably use your iPad. Use your screen, okay? So if you're trying to film a movie, this is gonna help you a lot. And there you have it, guys. This is just an unboxing. This is not a review. This is not a setup. This is not comparison video. We just wanted to unbox it, get a feel of it in your hand. It feels great. It feels nice. In the next days, I'm probably gonna be using this camera for vlogging in a different channel. If you would like me to tell you how this went, how I recorded, and how the videos look, and the quality and everything, and probably do some comparisons with my Sony camera, with the iPhone camera, let me know down in the comments, and I will most likely answer to your comments and do that video. That has been everything from me today. Don't forget to subscribe for guides, tutorials, everything that you will need for software, games, cameras. Subscribe. And as always, bye-bye.